keys in the pocket. Like a champ. Boys, like a champ. By the way, that's my Forerunner, everybody knows. And I keep one in my truck and I keep one in the Mustang because I don't drive this thing all year long. So basically, the battery dies. I do have a trickle charger on it, but it's gonna go soon underground for the winter because I don't drive it in the winter. And I drive my beauty, this one. I'm not saying that one is not nice, but I'm just saying this is a winter car. So let's see what happened. You're not gonna believe, I'm telling you, you're not gonna believe what this thing is capable of doing. It is one of the best battery packs, chargers, light, emergency, inflators, whatever you want to call it, jump starter, one of the best I've tried. Listen, I have a lot. Like I literally have a lot of them. But this thing just cranked my V8 850 HP Mustang that was dead for 3 weeks. Let's see how I did it. And it's gonna be funny because my wife's camera caught it, and I'm gonna have a part that I'm walking down to my car and didn't start. So what comes in the box? One, this. There's another model, definitely the stronger one, which is this. Links are gonna be in the description with exclusive coupons. So what's in the box? Let's see what's in the box. So here I'm walking down to my car so that I can crank it and then prep it for winter, park it on the ground. You're gonna hear the clicks which didn't turn on. So in the box, we have the unit itself. It has an output, and then you charge it from here. And then it has a light, actually, and then an inflator at the same time. So this thing comes packed, like it's fully loaded. You have everything you need in an emergency unit. For example, if you're at night on the side of the road, blinking red, you need some battery, camping, that's an output. Here's the input to charge. Comes with this plug and play, then these for the balloon or, inflator, and then a charger, wire charger, USB-C, USB-A, and then inflator, tire inflator. So guys, this thing just cranked my Ford Mustang 850 HP supercharged manual car. Listen, I'm excited because nothing worked. I have this. Didn't work. It couldn't charge it. So this thing, it's heavy as shit, and it didn't do the job. This, on the contrary, did. And it's not heavy, it's small. 2 versions. Pick and choose whatever you want. Let me show you what happened, how it cranked. Like a champ. Like a champ. This is all you need. That's a 5.0 850 HP V8 supercharged. Don't drive this much. Hook up the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative. That's all you need. Again, boys, this is a V8 5.0 850 HP supercharged. Nothing turns this on, nothing boosts it. You need a very powerful booster, Auxito. Let's see if it's gonna do it. So it was at 100%, now it's charging it. It's gonna tell you when it's ready to do it, and then I'm gonna crank. Let's see if it's gonna crank it. See, it's going down, so it means it's charging it. Once it's ready, it's gonna tell me to boost. Let me see if it's gonna be, yeah, 74%. And it's green. So you see, when it goes green, I can crank. So let us try it. It's a manual. Keys in the pocket. Like a champ. Boys, like a champ. This thing is freaking amazing. Like a champ. There you go, boys. Auxito. Love this thing. I have two of them for my runner and the Mustang. Also, I have a RAV4. Like a champ, boys. Link is gonna be in the description. Exclusive coupons. Nothing would have turned this on. I haven't driven it more than a month and a half. Enjoy, boys.